coiled cables. We are all quite familiar with them. TBS has over 40 years of experience in manufacturing and supplying special cables, coiled cables and power cords. From our facilities in the Netherlands and Germany, we are able to serve our customers worldwide. All coiled cables are designed and manufactured by our own employees to meet particular customer requirements. The innovative and strictly controlled manufacturing process guarantees high-quality output at all times. On request, TBS offers cable end preparation, including molding and cable assemblies. TBS supplies what the customer requires every time. Efficient communication lines result in instant quotations and customized solutions, as well as short lead times. The diversity of stocked cable at TBS is vast. This ensures infinite possibilities of coiled cable configurations. Either a single piece or larger quantities, we care for both. Our coiled cables with retracted lengths up to 5 meters are one of a kind. Our sales engineers will help you out with your required cable configuration. If you prefer to design your own spiral cables, please be our guest. With our online cable configurator, you are able to design the required coiled cables for your particular application. TBS's customer-oriented team consists of a close group of extremely motivated colleagues. Together they strive for long-term business partnerships, making the company a familiar organization with a continuously growing database of customers. TBS is the best solution for coiled cables. Our team is happy to assist you.